Hello friends, welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. If you want to customize the measurement units in the Booking.com app, this video is for you. Whether you prefer to measure temperature in Fahrenheit or distance in miles, I'll show you how to quickly and easily adjust all the settings. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new video. So, first find the Booking.com app on your home screen and open it. Once you're inside, the next step is to tap on the My Account option in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a page with your account settings. Now, once you're on that page, scroll down a bit and find the section called Device Preferences. Then tap on it. When you're in the Device Preferences section, you'll see a bunch of options. Find and tap on the option called Units to open the unit settings. Here, you can choose between the metric and imperial systems. Tap on the one that suits you best. For example, if you choose the imperial system, the app will show temperatures in Fahrenheit and distances in miles. The change is saved automatically, so you're instantly ready to continue using the app. And that's it for this video, friends. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like, share the video, and consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.